Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the NASDAQ 100 futures as they're having a nice strong day today. They're outpacing some of the other major futures markets, equity futures markets, I should say. And we're seeing a NASDAQ futures intraday trading at the highest level in 11 trading sessions. So nice bounce here today, up about 1.7% currently, off the highs of the session, but still up nicely on the session. 13,633 on the front month future. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, I think there's a couple things you can point to. Interest rates continuing now to trend a little bit lower in the last couple of days, and that's helping to support the NASDAQ futures as they were concerned about interest rates, and we did see the NASDAQ underperform some of the other major equity index futures markets here for the better part of the last couple of months, as concerns about interest rates rising more significantly were being priced into the NASDAQ constituents. And so I think that as that trend continues to push back down now, the last couple of days, that's benefiting the NASDAQ as a whole and the NASDAQ futures. Couple that with just the equity strength across the globe coming into today. We did see some strong returns, positive momentum from a global perspective. And that led it into today's price action. I think that's another factor why we did see these NASDAQ futures up nicely on the session. And when we look at the trends in general, as I mentioned, we did see the NASDAQ futures basically finishing up about 1.7% on the session. They were up over 2% until late in the day, but still outpacing the other major equity index futures markets, where we did see the S&P futures up about 1% on the day. And when we look at the Dow and the Russell futures, those were up about 63 to 65 basis points, or just around 2/3% on the day.